Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we'll show you how to remove and replace mirror on a Mercedes CLK. We're talking about the W208, which is the generation from 97 all the way until 2003. We will have more than 100 videos on that model guys, so stay with us. Make sure you subscribe, we'll try to save you some money. All you need is a flathead screwdriver or a prying tool, and here there is two clips, okay, on this one that were broken in the past. Okay, one here, one there, so you need to pry this way and that cover will come off. That's where your tweeter is located now, right here. It's very convenient if you have a prying tool like that, plastic tool. They sell them for less than 99 cents, so you can pry that cap open and don't hurt it with a screwdriver. Why we did that? Because we need to access the wire for the mirror. It's very convenient because you don't have to remove the whole door panel. All you have to do is remove that little cover and the one on top that we already removed. Now, with a Phillips screwdriver, okay, right there, we're going to remove 3 screws. Okay, one is coming out. You need to hold it, make sure you don't drop it in the door panel. Okay. Then we have 2 more. Not very complicated procedure at all. And if you need any videos for that Mercedes, let us know. If we still have it, we'll try to make it. Okay, this is the third one now. We removed the 3 ones here. We have a 4th hidden one right there guys. It's important to remove it, otherwise you're going to break it. That's why it's good to watch the whole video. Make sure you do the procedure right. You can go ahead and pull it out now. Okay, it's going to come out and you'll be able to disconnect the wires. Okay, just press down there and pull apart. This is one of the wires. And then we have one more there. That we'll need to disconnect. You just pull those apart as well. Feed them through the hole, and this is the mirror guys right here. That's how simple it is to remove it. So this will be the whole video guys. You install it in reverse order. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.